2. Kit Kat Kids. Case 3.
A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
D for dolphin. D for dolphin.
HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV
E for elephant. E for elephant.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes.
QRSTUV WXYZ Now
H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jeep. J for jeep. K for kite. K for kite. L for line. L for line. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
O for orange. O for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for quack. Q for quack. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S just for snake. Just for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for whale. X. X for Xmas.
Didn't I say? Yes, sir.
Y. Y for yak. G. G for zebra.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
I.
Q, R, S, T,
I for ice cream.
I, N, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
J. J for jeep.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
K.
W, X,
K for kite.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
L. L for line. M. M for monkey.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
N.
I know my ABCs.
N for nest. O. O for orange.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
P.
I know my ABCs.
P for penguin. Q. Q for quack. R for rabbit. R for rabbit.
Q R S T U V W X Y and
S.
now
S. Just for snake. Just for snake.
sing with me. A B C D E F G
T.
H I J
T.
K L M N O P
T for tiger. T for tiger.
W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC.
U.
Next time
U.
sing with
U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V. V for violin. V for violin.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N
W.
O P
W. W for whale. W for whale.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
X. X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
Y.
R S
Y.
T U V.
Y for yak. Y for yak.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
G. G. G for zebra. G for zebra.